Wundercover, tattoo covers and skin shields. I bought these to cover my tattoo. This product doesn't really work well for that. 2 layers really are necessary, and the sheet is already broken up into small rectangles. It is, however, a great product for protecting your heels from rubbing on the back of your shoes. I am a teacher, so coming back in September from a summer of flip-flops to dress shoes is blistering. These protected well, were cut to the perfect size, stuck all day, and blended into my skin. They were handy and worked really well for that. TribeTats Belize Variety Set Luxury Metallic Tattoos, 1. TribeTats is the highest quality metallic tattoo brand, representing the intersection of jewelry, tattoos and body art. Using only the best materials to create non-toxic body jewelry with a deluxe adhesive that lasts for up to 6 days, TribeTats is raising the bar in its category. It is also the exclusive provider of perforated sheets for easy separation, no scissors required, and rose gold designs. Lidocaine Super Juice Tattoo Numbing Topical Anesthetic 4. Well, I had 5 hours of tattooing today and found that this product does work. It takes the edge off for sure, but only on skin that has been broken. It did absolutely nothing on unbroken skin at the beginning of the tattoo or when the tattooing starts on new areas. Definitely a bit disappointed. IMHO not worth the money. Update: had another 5-hour tattoo and the product worked much better. This was used on my shoulder this time. The first review was for use on my ankle. I have a feeling that made a difference, but this time it worked before the tat started and was used throughout about every 1.5 hours. Once again, just helped take the edge off, certainly didn't make it pain-free. I'm not sure though that I could have lasted as long as I did without it. Still pricey, but I would buy again.